If you've ever finished editing a Canva video and realized it ends way too fast, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to extend video length in Canva quickly and easily. This is super useful when you want more screen time for a scene, need a clip to stay on a screen longer, or want to loop content without rebuilding your entire project from scratch. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know the simplest ways to make your Canva video longer and how to export it properly when you're done. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more Canva and content creation tips. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open Canva and go to the video design you want to edit. This can be an existing project or a brand new video you're working on. Once your design is open, look at the timeline at the bottom of the screen. This is where all of your video clips and page durations are controlled. Now click directly on the video clip in the timeline. Selecting the clip is important because that tells Canva exactly which part of your video you want to adjust. If your video clip has extra footage available, you can extend it very easily by dragging the edge of the clip on the right side. Just grab the end of the clip and pull it outward to make it longer. As you drag, Canva will extend the clip's duration, letting more of the footage play on screen. This is the fastest method if the source video is longer than the current clip length. Now, if what you actually want is to keep a scene visible for longer, Canva gives you another simple option. Click on the page or scene itself, not just the clip in the timeline. Then go up to the top bar and click duration. From there, increase the time manually. For example, if your scene is set to 5 seconds, you can change it to 10 seconds or longer, depending on how much extra screen time you need. This is especially useful for title screens, text overlays, tutorials, or any section where you want the visual to stay on screen a little longer. If you try to extend the clip but it won't stretch any further, that usually means the source footage has already reached its limit. In that case, there are two smart workarounds. The first option is to right-click the clip and split the page at the end. This can help you separate sections and better control how long each part appears. The second option is to duplicate the clip to create a loop effect. Duplicating is great when you want the same video segment to repeat and fill more time without needing new footage. This method is especially helpful for short clips, animated backgrounds, product demos, and social media videos where every second matters. You can also use it to slow down the pacing of your edits so your message has more time to land with the viewer. If you're making YouTube shorts, reels, presentations, or promotional videos, knowing how to extend video length in Canva can save you a ton of editing time. After you've made your changes, click preview so you can watch the full video and make sure the timing looks right. This step is important because it helps you catch any awkward cuts, timing issues, or scenes that still need more adjustment. Once everything looks good, go to Share, then click Download and choose MP4 Video to export your finished project. And that's it. You now know how to extend video length in Canva using clip dragging, duration settings, and duplication tricks when needed. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.